Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shweta. Today we have a very exciting video, you guys. It's a little bit spicy. So what not to buy and what to avoid and stop buying trend, which I used to do on YouTube, has a new name right now, kids. It's called de-influencing. So basically content creators have been overselling products to you and telling you exactly that this is what you need, that's what you should buy. Oh my god, what? Look at my skin. Oh my god, can you see that? What am I seeing? I'm shook. All of that is happening on social media. They're overselling the products to you, making you guys have that FOMO so that you overbuy. So basically you're having a stack full of makeup and skincare and you don't know how to finish it, how to use it, and the next thing you know, you've wasted your money as well. I'm sure I have done this and many YouTube content creators and Instagram content creators have done to influence you to buy that and give you FOMO. My apologies, but it is my job to also test out a lot of products, but I always used to balance it out on my YouTube channel and on my Instagram and tell you exactly what not to buy. So now that it is a new word, de-influence, let me de-influence you into not buying products that went completely viral on social media. And when I tell you the hype gave me such FOMO, let's start 2023 with a bang with such videos that will also help people to not go over their budget and use what they have basically. Alright, so let's start. If you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Just hit that red button right here, subscribe to the channel, help me grow, follow me on my social media platforms and especially my Instagram at shwetavijay. There I talk a lot more about makeup and skincare find, 1-minute reviews, a lot more on Insta stories just to help you out and shop better. Let's begin. Okay, we are going to go budget friendly from the Indian turf as well as the international products that went completely viral. If a content creator is sitting in front of the camera and telling you, guys, this was shit and this did this to my skin and that to my skin, they are only giving their experience. So everything that you buy, you need to make an informed decision and use your own intelligence whether you want to invest in it or not. Now, my skin type is very different from the average Joe. I've got all the problems in the world on my skin, okay? Matured skin, fine lines, acne scars, textures, I've got all of that. So basically, I'm the right channel for you to discover whether the product is working or is it just a marketing gimmick. The first one went completely viral and this just goes to show you that this one has a cult following like many of the products that I'm about to show. This is the Pond's Super Light Non-Sticky Fresh Feel Hydrated Glow with Hyaluronic Acid, Vitamin E. This one is almost a great alternative, not a dupe, of the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. It does the same thing of just hydrating because of hyaluronic acid, vitamin E. It is just amazing and I had such high hopes of it. And guys, it's very, very lightweight. It's a great skincare to use during hot, humid weather, and especially makeup sits really well on top of this. But it gave me such a massive breakout. That's what you're seeing. Can you see that? It left such a pigmentation on my skin over here that it was so difficult. I needed medication to reduce the acne swelling. And I know so many people, when I spoke about this even on Instagram, they were like, but it is my favorite and it has worked for me. I understand. Like I said, my point of view, subjective point of view. I just feel that this wouldn't work for sensitive skin, for acne prone skin, and also the perfume out here, it's overwhelming, you guys. Some fragrances just puts you in a good spa like sort of a ritual and frame of mind. This just gave me a very bad headache. So no, you guys, this is the first product that I got influenced and I'm here to de-influence you. In case you're thinking if you've got acne prone skin, sensitive skin, this one actually will break you out. Keep that in mind. And there's so many other hyaluronic acid that you can apply. And go for Hyalu Gel, which works even better if you want a hyaluronic acid. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, this one came to me and I was super excited because I actually heard a few influencers, content creators on Instagram talk about this being, if you cannot get Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter for that very exquisite glow, you can definitely use the Lakme cream. But let me just tell you, this one, the Lumi Cream Moisturizer with Highlighter, nor did it moisturize my skin, nor did it highlight anything that needs to highlight. This works really well for people who've got flawless complexion. But there are some highlighter creams like, even the Max Strobe cream, it's beautiful actually. And even the Earth Rhythm, however subtle it is, it gives a nice glow and luminosity to the skin. This one, let me just put that on the skin. Let me rub it in. There's no hydration. Nothing. The skin easily absorbs it for sure, but it's not moisturizing. Where is the glow? Where is the glow? And on top of that, it says for a 3D glow. What the hell is 3D glow? This marketing things brands say sometimes, 3D glow. Hello, Avatar. There is no 3D, 2D, nothing happening out here. I'm quite curious about their, tinted sunscreen spray. So if you've tried it, let me know if it's worth it. Because I'm wasting a lot of money on Lakme just trying out their products because I've heard such good things about it on social media. And that goes on to the third product from Lakme. Again, surprise, surprise. And I know now that I'll be showing you this and I'll get the comment section saying, this is my favorite foundation. It is a good foundation. I'm not blaming the texture out here. It's beautiful. So if you've got really oily skin, this is great. It is a very good lightweight texture, but it doesn't give me phenomenal coverage. And the quantity that you're getting, I mean, hello, this is it. So by the time you go on with it for a couple of days, this is almost done. This fragrance, this particular fragrance that Lakme had ever since Mum was born, they need to really reduce this. I don't want makeup just sits on the skin and I can sniff it. I can get a whiff of it. And suddenly I'm like, oh my God, there starts the migraine. This is such a lovely texture. Definitely not my shade. This is like for medium golden olive undertone kind of shade. Feather light texture. Is it saying SPF 8? I'm really blind, I think it's just SPF. SPF 8. With Lakme that is possible. But the coverage is just, it's like a tinted sunscreen. That's what it is. And there are many other better tinted sunscreen that you'll get more quantity wise and you won't get fragrance in it. So if you've got sensitive skin, acne prone skin, you can avoid this. Yeah, definitely those two Lakme products, a big no. It just makes me think like content creators that actually said that these were the best. What were you on about? I really want to know. Next product, Airbrush Flawless Filter Foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. This one hurts and this one hurts. I do love the Magic Foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. I have spoken about the Magic Foundation for years, you guys. And the next one is the Beautiful Skin Foundation. Again, there are mixed reactions to this, but I feel this is perfect for dry combination normal skin. It is not for Indian weather. It is great if you're traveling abroad or you're staying in some cold climate. I love it. This foundation really hurt my pocket and it made my skin look so cakey. It emphasized every texture on my skin. I'm someone who's usually very confident despite the problems on my skin, but as soon as I wore this foundation, I wanted to burn the house and I wanted to just sit there while the house was burning because that's how shocked I was. Definitely a big no to this foundation. Let's move on to the next one. Let's talk about another Charlotte Tilbury product. I'm going to get a lot of hate for this. Pillow Talk is lovely for people who are fair. Is it the most pigmented lipstick? No, it's not. Is it the lipstick that will change the game for you? No, it's not. There are better bullet lipsticks out there in the market. You know it, I know it. Do we want to admit it? No. Why? We don't know. Is it because if we admit it, we are like not one of the cool kids? I don't know. Or is it that we'll receive the hate from the cool kids and we'll receive hate from people who love it? Maybe. So it is this just the sheer fear of not wanting to hurt the brand or not wanting to hurt people's sentiments who loves this that you don't want to admit that this is very mediocre. This is not a flattering pink nude shade. It doesn't look nice on my skin tone, least a deeper, darker skin tone. It only looks good on fair skin tone, you guys. These are mighty expensive. Is it of stellar packaging? Yes, it's stellar in every way. It's beauty in every way. So this went viral because, Alia Bhatt made it viral thanks to Diet Sabya. Guys, I'm here to just save your money. You can definitely use various other undertones to a nude. You don't have to go for the next viral product just because, someone on social media who's known to talk about trends brands tell you that this is it. Even on my complexion, I can make it work. I can make, like if I wear a brown lipstick, I can layer on top of that and it's creamy enough. It's a great formulation, but it's your average lipstick, you guys. So do I really need the cult Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk? No, you don't. Try Kiro Beauty, try Sugar Cosmetics, try them. Try the Indian brands first before jumping onto this. Let me just show you how it is, okay? This is how it is. How is this very cool toned pink gonna suit this complexion? It won't. It just won't. Next one, because of the smartest marketing strategy and product placement, is Fenty Beauty's Invisi Matte Blotting Powder. And oh my god, it went completely viral on social media right after she opened it up, applied it and powdered her nose in between her performance. There are better affordable alternatives out there that does an even better job. And like for example, Verified's, IRL Paris Filter Powder, which is not even an alternative, it's a dupe. It does such a fabulous job out here in just blurring and mattifying and setting and bringing the makeup all together. It's a great finishing powder like the Fenty Beauty one. So it just goes to show that it's the marketing strategy of like, you need it. It's the sad truth. And no matter how much of blurring effect that they have, you'll still have textures on your skin. It's normal. That's how it is. So yeah, let me de-influence you there as well. Beep beep boop boop, beep beep boop boop. You remember this that all influencers used when they were doing the L'Oreal hyaluronic acid serum test? Yes, L'Oreal sent me this. I tested it out. Very good serum, not taking it away from the cult status that it has. It's a great no-brainer serum. If they get hyaluronic acid serum wrong, then they shouldn't be a skincare brand. It's the most humble yet high maintenance product in terms of how to use it. Otherwise, it's a no-brainer. No fragrance, great for all skin type, including sensitive skin. But a Hyalu gel beats any hyaluronic acid over there in the market, including The Ordinary. But a retinol and retinoid are the ones that brings about a difference to your fine lines for a matured skin. So hyaluronic acid doesn't do that unless it is injected, you guys. In terms of fillers, that's when you bring about a short difference on your fine lines, crow feet. So to say that you get that same effect via a serum, no. The thing is, I've become so lazy with my skincare. I want everything that has got, multi-purpose use. So I usually go for a moisturizer that has got vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, peptides, ceramides. You get a lot of moisturizer that has hyaluronic acid already in it. So you don't have to put it on damp skin and then moisturize and then do all that jazz. So a marketing strategy out here with the L'Oreal one is that this hydrometer will actually tell you and gauge that as soon as you apply the serum, it is going to show you that from 10% of your dehydrated, really sukra hua skin goes all the way to 100%. Sometimes even despite all the moisture on my skin, it will show me 25. So I don't know whether to trust a device like this. And that's what caught my goat when I saw the marketing campaign. I saw the influencers all wear the hyaluronic acid. Before that, it was like, wah, and right after that, it was like, this is it. So I would say that don't go for it. So I wish the brand as well as the content creators explained properly on how to use it. Like for example, you add in a moisturizer right after, applying a hyaluronic acid, it will do you 10 times more benefits. And to use this device, I don't know, it's like between the devil and the deep sea. You don't even know which is worse out here. So big no to this. Now all the Selena fans in the house, come and hate this video because that's what I'm gonna get right now, and that is the Rare Beauty. This is the nearly neutral, the lip and cheek tints that she came out with at first. Look at this beauty, cutie packaging. There was a lot of ASMR packaging, opening package, applying, all that was happening. Went and bought it, you guys. This was my worst purchase. Now of all the Rare Beauty stuff, if you want to try out their blush, please go for this one, the Liquid Pinch Me, whatever it's called. This is incredible. I will still stick to the liquid ones because in terms of pigmentation, in terms of that serum-like effect, the way it spreads on the skin and leaves your skin feeling like that flush of color that you get with these, this is worth the money. But this one, no. Please listen to my point of view before you come and be like, what do you know? No, I don't want to hear that. Just let the sister talk, okay? Like she has not been talking enough. This one is only a year old, and can you see the contamination on that? It just worries me a lot, and it could be many things because you're using your fingers or whatever. This happened on the 6th month of buying the product. And another thing is the poor packaging out here. This one comes out, and I know there are many people also who must have gone through this. Let me know in the comment section. Help other sisters out. No, I don't want this. If I'm spending money for this, I want something that's going to take me all the way till the makeup duration. I mean, how much is it? It says 12 months. Yeah, so I want it. I want it for a good 12 months, you guys. And in terms of pigmentation and the color payoff, there are many other better lip and cheek tints. In fact, I find Juicy Chemistry lip and cheek tints a lot more creamier and more pigmented than this. Simply Nam is much more better than this. Simply Nam is brilliant, and many more, including Dr. Earth and so many others. Sorry, Selena, I love you. I mean, I'm a huge, incredible fan of Rare Beauty, and I love all my dear content creators that went and told that this was it. I still love you though, but you made me waste my money. So yeah, no. And the last one to make it to the list of de-influencing, and this is something that really hurts my heart because I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. If tomorrow the brand approaches me and says, would you still want to work with us for these liquid lipstick? I will be like, yes, because that's how much I have loved their liquid mattes from Smashbox for years. But I'm here to de-influence, right? I'm here to tell you the truth. This one dries up so fast. It is shocking how it dries up in the bottle. I tried to use a makeup reviver and it works. So in case yours is dried up, please get the makeup reviver from Cuffs and Lashes or from Just Gold. Take a couple of drops, or you can take the Duraline from Inglot. You can use those makeup revivers to revive your dried up makeup. It did work, but it did not give me that, what can I say, that creaminess and the pigmentation that really happens on first swipe as soon as you get a new bottle. It did not give me that. It was very thinned down. That's what I was trying to tell you. I just feel bad because there's so many of y'all that because of us you go and buy it and you're not getting that money's worth only because of how quickly it dries down. This particular shade out here, oh my god, I look at the shade, it's phenomenal. The pink out here, great for people for fair to medium complexion including tan. And this is a best-selling shade, their Disorderly is something that I love. I will still go and buy it. I'm nearly done. What is the best out here with Smashbox is to go with the small mini pack so that you can use it completely. It won't dry down. You get 2 in that pack. That I have only seen on Nykaa. I've not even seen that in the UK, because for 999 rupees you get 2 of the Smashbox ones and you can choose the colors. But spending for this is steep for something that dries down, and I have to always constantly worry. But just keep that in mind, and that is why I had to add it to the list. And I just wish that they listen to consumer feedback and just reformulate it, because there's no other lipstick as comfortable, as pigmented as the Smashbox ones. So those are my what not to buy list. The de-influencing mode is on right now. If you'd like me to do more of such videos, I will do it for you. But if there's something that I have influenced you and if you have not liked it, please let me know in the comment section what has been your product that you just did not enjoy buying. Even if it is something that I told you it did not work for you, you can share it. I would love to listen to whatever feedback it is, and what has been the product that you feel is a complete waste of money. It would be great. And if I've influenced you into buying something that has worked, that also I would love to listen to. So let me know in the feedback section, you guys. Keep the communication running. Mention your skin type so that someone with your skin type would understand, okay, maybe she's the one that I should listen to. And I shall see you. I love you very much. Bye for now.